Remove the trim panel. Engage the lever. Screw on the bolt. Remove the right side triangular trim and the trim panel above the footwell. Connect the power cord. Connection protocol plug. Connect the main wiring harness. Remove the cover plate beneath the center control screen. Use the threading guide to route the main wiring harness from the pillar to the center console display. Then route the wiring harness from the center console screen to the driver's footwell, finally threaded through to the steering column. Plug in connector. Install the decorative cover.